Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to our social online class. Hope you all are safe and fine. Children, in today's class, we are going to start a new lesson. Seasons. Children, before starting the lesson, we have a quick recap on what we learned in the last class. Okay, what we learned in our last class, children? Yes, we learned about our beautiful earth. Children, where we live on earth. And all plants and animals live on earth. Then what is the shape of the earth? The earth is round in shape and it has air, water and land. And we learned about types of land. There are many types of lands are there. Children, you know what is plain? Flat land is called a plain. And what is a mountain, children? Very high hills are called mountains. And the land between two hills or mountain is called a valley. And you know what is plateau? A hill with a flat top is called a plateau. Children, our earth is special and a beautiful planet. You know why? Because it has air, water and land. And we know there are different places are there. Forest, mountains, hills, seashores, etc. So we can say our earth is very beautiful and we must keep it clean. And today we are going to learn about different types of seasons. Children, already we learned about season in our science class. You know what is season? Before that, we want to know about what is weather. What is weather, children? The daily condition of the atmosphere. That means weather means how hot, cold, windy, rainy, sticky or cloudy a day is. And when the weather is continuing for many days, for example, if it is hot, it is continuing for many days, we will call as seasons. And there are different types of seasons are there, children. Which are they? Yes, they are summer, rainy, autumn, winter and spring. Children, let's learn detail about seasons. There are three main seasons. They are summer, winter and monsoon. And spring and autumn are other two seasons. Summer season. Children, summer season is the hottest season. In this season, the sun shines brightly and hot winds blow. It is very hot and well rivers dries up during summer season and we feel uncomfortable and all plants and animals feel heat. In this season, the sun rises early and sets late. Then you know when it starts at the end of March and continues up to June. Then how do people keep cool in summer, children? People wear cotton clothes and they have cool drinks and ice creams. And they use fans, coolers and air conditioners to keep themselves cool in summer season. Winter season. Children, winter is the coldest and most chilling season of the year. At this season, the days are short and nights are longer. Then you know when it begins from the mid of November and lasts till February. It is very cold, isn't it, children? And cold winds blow and we can see snow in some places. Children, what kind of clothes we wear in winter season? We wear woolen clothes. Why we are wearing woolen clothes, children? Woolen clothes keep us warm in winter season. We also use mufflers and sweaters to keep us warm in winter season. Then we like to have hot drinks like hot milk, coffee, tea, etc. People light fires or use heaters to keep themselves warm in winter season. Then we celebrate Christmas and New Year in this season. Monsoon season. Monsoon season is the another name of rainy season. And the rainy season comes after summer season. We know it is very hot in summer season. After that the rainy season will start. And in this time, the sky is covered with dark clouds. We hear thunder and lightning in the sky. During this season, it rains heavily and sometimes strong winds also will be there. Children, what do people carry when they go out in the rain? We wear a raincoat or carry an umbrella when we go out in the rain. Children, some people don't like rainy season. You know why? Because at that time they can't go outside and children can't play outside. Then do you like rainy season, children? But some of them have fun to sail paper boats in puddles and they like to play in rain. Children, sometimes we can see a rainbow when the sun shines brightly after rain. Spring season. Children, this season comes after winter and before summer. When does spring season occur, children? Spring comes after winter and before summer. We know in winter season it is very cold and in summer season it is very hot. But in spring season we have moderate climate, that is neither hot or nor cold, and flowers bloom in this season. During the season, trees, plants bloom with flowers and green leaves. Okay, and at that time we can see more butterflies come out of from their cocoons, and fresh breeze will be there and perfect temperature. And it is the season of new beginnings. Autumn season. Children, autumn season comes after monsoon and before winter. When it occurs, children, it comes after monsoon and before winter. We know in monsoon season or in rainy season we can see the dark clouds in the sky. But after the monsoon season we can see cottony white clouds in the sky. That is in autumn season. It is very nice to see, children. Then many trees shed their leaves in autumn season. But autumn season is called the season of festivals. You know why? Because we celebrate most festivals like Diwali, Dasara, Ganesh Chaturthi in this season. So it is called the season of festivals. Okay, children, what we learned in this lesson? We learned about different seasons. There are three main seasons: summer, winter and monsoons. Other two seasons are spring and autumn. Children, which is the hottest season? Yes, that is summer season. And which is the coldest? That is winter season. And we use raincoat and umbrellas when we go out in the rain. Then which season the flowers will bloom, children? That is spring season. And we know many trees shed their leaves in autumn season. Children, let's discuss the book back exercise. A. Circle the correct answers. First one, people use coolers or heaters in summer season. What we will use, children? Yes, people use coolers in summer season because it is very hot in summer. So we will use coolers. Second, the summer or winter season is very cold. Which season is very cold? Yes, the winter season is very cold. Third one, it rains heavily during summer or monsoon season. It rains heavily in monsoon season because monsoon season is rainy season. Then fourth one, flowers bloom in autumn or spring season. Which season the flowers will bloom, children? Flowers bloom in spring season. Then fifth one, autumn or summer comes after monsoon and before winter. Which season comes after monsoon and before winter? Autumn season comes after monsoon and before winter. B. Draw lines to complete the sentences. First one, we feel very hot. In which season we feel very hot, children? We feel very hot in summer. Second, it snows in some places. In which season? In winter season, it snows in some places. Third one, we wear a raincoat when we go out in the rain. Then fourth one, after winter, which season, children? After winter comes spring season. Then fifth one, many trees shed their leaves. In which season many trees shed their leaves? In autumn season. See, answer the following that we will copy in our classwork. Then D, think and answer. Grandma gave me a juice and I switched on the fan and Papa got ice cream for us in the evening. Which season is it, children? In which season it is very hot and we have cool drinks and ice creams? Yes, that is summer season. Next activity, tick the correct pictures. First one, it is raining today. Please carry an umbrella or apple. Which is the correct picture, children? Yes, umbrella. So you want to take umbrella. Second, it is very hot. I want to have an elephant or ice cream. Which is correct? Yes. Which is the correct picture? Ice. Third one, it is very cold. We wear sweater or watch. Which is the correct picture? A. So you want to tick the picture A, that is sweater. Fourth one, it is spring. The garden is full of teddy bears or flowers. Which is the correct picture? B. Flowers. Then fifth one, the trees are shedding their leaves or fruits. Which is the correct picture, children? Leaves. Next, color the clouds according to the color key. That is, red means winter, green summer and blue monsoon. Here paper boat, ice cream, muffler, cooler, soup, umbrella, raincoat and heater. Children, when we sail the paper boat in monsoon season, so you want to color blue. Then ice creams, we have ice creams in summer season, so you want to color green. Then muffler, when we wear this muffler, winter season, so you want to color red. Then cooler, we use cooler in summer season. Then soup, we like to have hot drinks like soup in winter season, so you want to color red. Then umbrella, we take umbrella when we go out in the rain, so which color? That is blue color. Then raincoat also when we carry when we go out in the rain, so this also blue color. Then heater, when we use this heater, children, in winter season, so you want to color red. So children, write your classwork very neatly with legible handwriting. Children, do your work regularly and complete it on